everyone! We will be doing a short drive, kinda fix the brakes, but there is still air in the system, so not really. There is brakes, but they are not working properly. Let's drive like we don't have them. You need like 5 pumps for it to work. They're not bad. It was like 13 degrees Celsius and there is still ice in the forest, so I mean, I'm not complaining. This road has a lot of bumps, like here.
That didn't work out.
Yeah, I'm a rally driver. Some brakes is better than no brakes. How is the handbrake? Hard to understand where is gravel and where is ice, so I don't want to mix them up. There is no ABS and no traction control. That's good. And my hands are dirty. They're black from work.
You're a miner.
I like miners.
Cut that shit out. Wanna
go further?
Yeah.
Dancing with your own wife, pretty much. I need a LED bar. I cannot really see anything. Up to like 50 meters I can see, and it's not enough. Where are we? This is the road we always go?
Yes. We shittier than last time.
Yeah. I don't care. It melted a little bit more. There's more gravel. Dirt? Gravel? I don't know. I don't know, but I don't care either. Insane road.
Same driver maybe.
Second year, we do this nicely. Too little grip. You wanna drive?
Sure.
Turn around?
Yeah.
Ooh, she sounds nice. I'm passing it to my brother. A little sound check. She needs some pops and bangs.
Yeah. Is that good?
Checking the car. Can you see anything?
Yeah. It's been a while, so gotta get used to it.
Yeah, it's a bit different than just drifting in winter because it's more slippery. So it's weird actually. Kinda like it.
bumps and the ground is too hard. You need loose gravel. She's not very good at handling.
No, she's not supposed to be a race car.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing happened. Where is the found? I tried. Yeah, I do not see anything.